Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Lan from the hashtag Walk with Lan. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Okay, so have you ever tried writing code in a simple text editor and thought, why is programming so hard? You constantly make mistakes, forget the syntax, and debugging takes forever. But professional developers rarely code that way. Instead, they use something called an IDE, an integrated development environment. And today I'm going to show you how IDEs make code faster, smarter, and easier. So by the end of this video, you will understand what an IDE is, the most powerful IDE features, how developers use IDEs in real projects. Let's dive in. But before that, let me share to you my second screen. Okay, for a while. Let me just share to you the second screen. Okay, entire screen. Yeah, there you are. Okay, and then I'll be slideshow from the beginning. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to. Okay, yeah. So what is an IDE? Okay. So what is an IDE? Okay, or popularly known as Integrated Development Environment. This is an application or a software designed to help programmers write code easily. So instead of using separate tools for editing the code, compiling programs, debugging the errors, an IDE combines everything in one place. Think think of it as a developer's workspace. Just like an architect uses specialized design softwares, programmers use IDEs to build applications. Okay. All right. So the popular IDEs nowadays, we have the VS Code. I'll be showing that to you later on. IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, PyCharm, Android Studio. Each one helps developers manage large projects easily. Okay. So one of the first features you notice in an IDE is syntax highlighting. This means the IDE is automatically colors parts of your code. For example, if we have keywords, okay, what are the keywords that we have in a programming language? If, while, return might appear in blue. No? Strings like hello world might appear in green. Variables and functions appear in other colors. Why is this helpful? Because developers can quickly understand code structure just by looking at it. Without syntax highlighting, code looks like this. Okay? For a while. Okay. Let me show to you. And this is the, for example, okay. Yan. So it is being highlighted, right? Color coded. Okay. But with highlighting, everything becomes easier to read. It reduces mental effort and coding mistakes. Okay. And then, of course, another another powerful IDE feature is error highlighting. Think of it like spell check for programmers. As you type code, the IDE automatically detects mistakes such as missing brackets, incorrect syntax, undefined variables. For example, this one, no? Okay, so let's just remove the line 1 and then the line 4. Look at this. Obviously, this is an error. Okay, why? Because at the latter portion of the statement of the line, okay, we have that that character that we can be able to see. Okay, so missing brackets, no? And the ID immediately shows a red underline. Okay, this means developers can fix problems instantly instead of later. No? So without an ID, you might spend hours debugging simple mistakes. Okay, since this is JavaScript, that one. Okay, so if you take a look, the underline at the latter portion of the line, nawala na siya. No, it was removed. Okay, so let's proceed. Now let's talk about something developers love, no? Autocomplete. Instead of typing long function names manually, the IDE suggests them automatically. For example, when you type, okay, for a while, okay, for example here, now when you type doc, no? So it will be able to suggest, no, maybe a document that get element, image decoder, something like that. Okay? Document type, okay? And others also, no? You just press enter, okay? Okay, you just press enter and the code completes instantly. Benefits? What are the benefits? Of course, faster coding, fewer spelling errors, improved productivity, and professionals, developers rely heavily on this feature. Okay? The next one is IntelliSense. Autocomplete is powerful, but IntelliSense is even smarter. IntelliSense understands context. That means it knows which variables exist, what functions belong to an object, what parameters are required. Okay, for example, if you type, let's go back. So for example, if you type document dot, no? Okay? So the IDE will show a list of available methods. This helps developers learn APIs and libraries much faster. Okay? It's almost like having a coding assistant built into the editor. Okay? So you have a coding assistant already. Okay? Now, the next one is refactoring. As programs grow larger, code becomes messy. Oh, we have a problem on scalability. Developers often need to rename variables, reorganize functions, or restructure code. This process is called refactoring. The amazing thing about IDEs is they can do this automatically. For example, if you rename a function, calculate total. Okay? Okay, let's go back. For example, you have calculate total. Okay? And then to compute total, the ID will update every reference across the project. I was not able to show this to you na. Pero this prevents bugs and save huge amounts of time. Okay? Yan. All right, so these are the popular IDEs today. Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ, IDEA, Eclipse, PyCharm, and Android Studio. Okay? So in JavaScript program, we will be using VS Code, no? VS Code for this one. And we have, we write a small JavaScript program, no? Okay? There you are. Notice several IDEs features immediately, no? Syntax highlighting. Okay? Yan. Syntax highlighting colors the code, autocomplete suggests codes, error appears instantly if we make mistakes. Now let's rename the variable. Okay? Name as username. Okay. Using the refactor tool, okay, the ID updates it every automatically. Okay? There you are. Okay, so if you take a look, I was able to change to username and it changed automatically on the other one. No? So that is why professional developers rarely code without IDEs. Okay. Now, for the benefits of IDEs, faster development, reduce errors, better project management, and of course, improve um, productivity. Oh, we were able to repeat that one, no? Okay. So, as a conclusion, integrated development environment are essential tools for modern software development. They help developers write code faster, reduce errors, understand complex projects, improve productivity. So, if you are learning programming, start using an IDE as early as possible. It will transform how you write code. If you found this video helpful, but before that, let me stop sharing. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment your favorite IDE, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.